It was just raining. And that's what makes this camera awesome. So you don't have to worry about the rain. We just want a camera that works. We tried the GoPro, didn't we? And it was a big fail. Please watch our video on the GoPro. We had some issues with it. And can you take that off there for me?
So this is the Osmo Action 5 Pro.
Pro. That's not what we are. But we need a I thought you was going to use your fingernails, but okay.
It's plastic. I can't use my fingernails with plastic.
I'll do it. I'll just do it like that. We just need something. We've just started a YouTube channel, and we need something to basically just do like car footage and, you know, underwater. We're getting ready to go on a cruise, and we was testing the GoPro, and it failed us. It was cutting out video. This is just the accessories.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hold on.
Get the good part.
So it comes with, looks like a case, a manual, and a cord. And we was going, we went on a little trip, and we lost footage on there. We couldn't go back, or didn't want to go back. Battery. And it just ruined it. And then we came home and we was doing some videos, and they cut out the end of the videos. These are cameras. These are supposed to work for you. Okay, it's got a little mount on the bottom. It's got a mount and a sticker thing on there. That is like a case for it. Manual, battery, and the screw piece. So this is, oh, that's not even screwed in yet. And this is it. Oh my gosh, this is small. I feel like this is smaller than the GoPro.
I was trying to see if there was anything in that box.
Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. Look how big that screen is on the back. You see that?
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
And look at the front
screen. It's a lot bigger than the GoPro screens.
Yes. So if I can figure this out.
Feels good.
You just kind of wedge this thing in there, it looks like. Okay. Snap. So it comes with a protective cover, which that's awesome because sometimes you lose your device out of your vehicle.
When your doors are open.
When you have your doors off your Jeep and it totally just flies out.
Oh my.
Oh, that was fun.
Are you going to turn around? Oh no.
And this was kind of a rush order because we're leaving to go on our vacation soon. And the GoPro didn't work. I know what the problem is. You got to put the stinking battery in it. MacGyver, I figured it out. Insert the battery here. Clip. And power button on the side. Ooh. English. Oh, you can see this side. Oh, don't do that again. Now we have to download the app. You can skip 5 times. So one of the biggest complaints I was hearing about this device is you have to have an iPhone to use this device. So just remember that before you buy it. You can check and see if they've got support for it, but a lot of people have been saying you have to have an iPhone to use this.
Is there not an app for Android for it? Is that why?
I think there is, but I guess they've been having trouble with it. I've just read that. I don't know if it's true or not. Find out yourself. If you buy this on Amazon, who cares? You can send it back.
Mm-hmm.
You have 30 days to send it back. We went over on our GoPro, and it didn't matter. They still took it back.
Mm-hmm.
We was a couple days over, and they still let us do that. Probably because we buy so much stuff off of them, but that was very nice. So I can bypass that. You can't see what I'm looking at. Connect. So it wants us to update. It says we have 2 hours and 58 minutes left on the front at 1080p 30. Oh, it even shifts sideways too. You see that? And that's a lot of TikTok and stuff like that if you want to do videos like that. If you don't hook up to your phone, you're going to have to go through all these settings. And we're going to get this going, do any settings on. I'm going to try to see what it looks like.
Just with the factory setting.
Just factory setting. Look, it even flipped upside down. When I flipped the camera upside down, that's awesome. Hold that. So nice and small.
And it doesn't feel cheap.
Yeah, it feels really good, Bill. Oh, the screens on it look amazing.
Yeah, the screens are wonderful.
They look
That'll be really
sharp.
nice when we're... And
I was actually hearing complaints about that because they look so good that maybe your footage isn't that good. And the other complaints I heard was the bit rate. So this has a lower bit rate than the older versions. And they've made this battery, which that's very important to us. I don't necessarily care about getting that 4K ultra clear videos that some of these people are trying to do. We just want to get enough footage that looks good for you guys to watch. Going on vacation, you need a good camera so you can have all these memories. You want to have the best footage you can, and you want something to work. You want to have that footage. The GoPro let us down. We're going to test this one out, run it through its paces, and we'll give you a review on this. Maybe we'll give you a little bit of footage that we take outside with it here in just a second. Thank you very much for watching.
Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.
See you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. I was waiting on you to say your thing. Okay, so this one is, I think that's going to be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It's so small, we can take it around. And
yeah. Did you buy the waterproof thing for it?
Yes, I think it's coming.
And this will work on the little selfie stick things we already have?
Yeah, because it's got this, that bottom mount, horseshoe mount or whatever they call it. I do not like this already. That is not.
I think it goes in there better than the other one did. The GoPro.
I like that. That's the C drive, so we can just charge it right there.
Yeah.
I actually got some batteries coming too, but this thing lasts a good time. All right. I don't know. I'm probably gonna put that. Oh, got that big 5 gigabyte.